All of us have used coconut oil at some point in our lives. It is a natural oil with a very small size that makes the penetration into the skin and the hair strands very easy. Also comes with all these amazing properties. How to get the maximum benefit? It is good as a body moisturizer in the dry skin in winters and especially for the eczema prone skin because of the healing and softening properties. It is a good natural alternative to those looking for the mineral oil based moisturizer alternatives. Prevents the hairoil fatigue to the hair. Coating your hair 10 to 20 minutes before head bath prevents the hair from becoming frizzy, unmanageable and prone to breakage. Especially good for the chemically treated hair, the color damaged hair and the heat styled hair. The only problem is it is comedogenic, so be careful if you have the acne prone skin. It can also aggravate the dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis and your fungal acne. Apart from that, which one should be used? Go for the one that says either the pure coconut oil or the virgin coconut oil. The rest of the details are in the caption. Please check that out.